Hey guys.
This is literally my 50th retake. I forgot to make an introduction, and yeah, so hopefully you enjoy it. This is my first video. My editing skills are tonight. There's something else.
Hopefully you like what you see or watch.
This is how I bake a scrambled egg. So, yeah, enjoy it. And if you do, then make sure to subscribe. If you don't want to, that's fine.
Hi! But I'm about to have a breakdown, try to do this video, so...
Yeah, thank you, and enjoy. So I'm just grabbing 2 eggs because man's a little bit thick and needs his protein. And also I'm going to get him a pan so I can cook with it. So this is literally all I use to make my scrambled eggs. I normally sometimes use butter instead of oil. So I'm going to turn the lights on. Well, only one's working. Well, literally me and my brain cell. So turn this on. Yeah. Then get some oil. Probably just spray some on. God. When there's nothing left. I added more oil. Well, there wasn't enough. And just swirling it around. Just gonna wait for it to heat up a little bit, and then I'll add the eggs in. Jesus. I've never done it with one hand. Oh God. Oh God. She's a chef. She's actually a chef, I'm not gonna lie. And then do another one. Oh, it's supposed to be scrambled. How do you do this? Okay. She's working it. And then okay. Oh. Little chef. And then just mix up a little bit. And I normally just add a bit of garlic salt now. That's working. I didn't put enough oil, I don't think. So it's currently just like burning. Oh God, oh God. Okay, turn that off. I grab a plate. One there. This is so hard. I can't film with one hand. And then normally I would get a knife, but today I just can't be arsed. Just rip it open like that. Oh God. There you go. There you go. She's an actual chef. Oh. And there it is. My scrambled egg. I'm also going to be making a coffee. Can't have a breakfast without having a coffee in the morning, even though I've already had one. Milk.
He needs some milk!
Alpro, coconut and almond. Since I'm lactose intolerant, I can't have any dairy. So here it is. I finished my scrambled egg. There, it looks hideous, I'm not gonna lie. Not really that fast. I don't really complain because, you know, food is food for a student. And then I've got my latte. So good. And let me try it. I literally just got all the bread and that's it. Wait. She's actually a chef, I'm not gonna lie. That's actually really...
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
You know, hashtag goals. Breakfast goals. Oh. Reason I've started vlogging on YouTube is because today I just wake up thinking, why don't I just blog? You know, I've always been really interested. You know, it's quite creative, I do art. Let's try and make it work. if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. But you know, it seems like it's gonna be fun. I'm not gonna lie, I forget to do so much things. So me recording is a mission already. This is like my first video and I'm already struggling. When a student has a midlife crisis and they decide to create a YouTube account and start vlogging, even though they've got 2 essays due in a matter of weeks, and yeah, I'm loving life. Oh my god, what have I done? Oh my god, really? Priority. But thank god I've got my friend Nia to help me with that. I'm really bad with technology. I can't even, I don't know. I just can't work technology. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, what else? Another good reason why I'm starting to, oh shit. Or one of the reasons why, sorry, or the main reason is next term, which is spring term. Yeah. I'm only gonna have 1 lecture a week, which is nothing. I'm not exactly buzzing when it comes to creating stuff, which is really funny since I'm actually doing, you know, a creative course and the whole point of art is to make art. And yeah, so I'm currently lacking on that, so I'm gonna struggle for 2nd year. You know, I don't want to fail. I've decided that try and keep me calm and being creative, that I'll start vlogging and see how it goes. Yeah, just see what 2019 brings. You know. She's a model or whatever. I'm joking, no, I'm not. I love this jumper. It's so cute. I love the colours. It's kind of like giving me like, I don't know, 70s. I don't know, 70s vibe. So, this mug is from Mexico. My mum got it. She went to Mexico. It looks pretty cute. Oh, I need to do my hair. Another thing that I have to do. I've decided that I'm going to start vlogging, even though I've got 2 essays due by the 16th of January. So, buzzing. I don't know about that.
I should really start doing that, but
I just want to relax and I don't want to think about uni.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You'd understand how stressful it can be, and then when you have a break, it's kind of nice and you just don't want to think about working and doing essays or writing or doing anything. It's like non-stop. And I'm really bad at my deadlines. I should really start, I don't know, I should really start I don't know. I should really start planning when I should do my essays. I'm very unorganised, very unorganised. I need to fix it up straight away. That's my breakfast. It looks a little bit horrible. It does taste actually really good. It's just basic, but this hot drink, it's so good.